is Giuffre. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate dip madeleines. You will need 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of lemon zest, which you can get by just taking a lemon in a shredder and just grating off some shavings until you get a half a teaspoon of that. Next, you need 1 cup of confectioner sugar, right here. Next, you need 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. You also need a half of a cup of salted butter, melted and cooled, which you can get by putting slices of butter in a pan on the stove on low heat. You will also need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, right here. You will also need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, right in here. And lastly, you will need a Madeleine tin. You want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Next, you want to grease and flour the Madeleine molds. To grease them, what you need to do is just get some cooking spray and just give it a spritz on each one. Next, you want to get the flour
over the sink
and just sort of topple it on there slowly. And you just want to sift it around. Bang out the bottom, and this should be good. Next, in a bowl, you need to add 2 eggs. You want to add 2 eggs, the vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon the lemon zest, in a bowl, and then you want to put it in an electric mixer on high for 5 minutes. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, you want to sift together the flour, like so. As you're getting close to sifting all your flour, add in your baking powder, and then continue sifting. Now, what you want to do is fold in the flour mixture by fourths at a time. Once you're done mixing your flour mixture into the other mixture, you wanna do the same thing with your melted and cooled butter. Fold like so. Next, you want to spoon your mixture in about 3/4 of the way into your Madeleine molds. around that much. Next, you want to bake these at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.
Joey, can you tell me where Madeleines come from?
Madeleines come from a French town called Commercy. It is located in eastern France. Most of commercially packaged Madeleines come from this town today. While it's baking, I will show you how to make the chocolate dip for the Madeleines. You want to put your 2 cups of chocolate chips into a bowl, put it on the stove, and turn the stove to very low heat. You know your Madeleines are done when they have a golden brown color to them. After your cookies have cooled for 1 minute, you want to take the cookies off your pan, flip them, turn them upside down, and place them on the pan to cool. Once your Madeleines are cool, you want to dip them in your melted semi-sweet chocolate dip. Only the tips you want to dip. Wow, looks like they're finished. Let's try some. Tastes delicious.